fucking page, bro. No, it ain't early. It's not an early stream. Well, I started streaming early, but you know I'm not gonna start trading till 3. Uh, you know I upgraded my setup a little bit. I'm just making sure everything is right. Looks like everything is. Looks like everything is working pretty good right now though. So probably gonna load up a little chess game in a little bit. Yeah, I like the new setup. Nice setup. Sound low. What about now? Can't hear? Let me see. I'll turn it up a little bit more. It's like a little bright. Bad. Let's get a couple games in, man. About 40 minutes till I start officially trading. My water. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. 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 All right. What do your trading accounts look like? I got these linked right now. This is my funded account, and it's linked to my combine. I'm actually about to unlink them because I'm not gonna because London session I'm gonna only trade my live, and then once New York comes around, I'm gonna start streaming again, and I'm gonna trade this combine. But right now my funded account is we're coming off of a rough week, so this got to be a comeback week for this got to be a comeback week for my funded account. I'm down 1,000. Had a rough week last week, so I got $1,000 left to draw down. Got to bring this back. Hell yeah, brother. How are you? I'm from India. Shout out, love from India, man. Mayank. I'm doing pretty good. How about you? And so this is my funded account. This is what I'm gonna be trading London session, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back New York, and I'm gonna trade this account right here. So yeah, that's what we got going on. That's what's up. That's what's up. All right, Breeden. Uh, might catch you New York. Let me go ahead and drop some links in the chat real quick. Shout out 6 people in the shout out 9 people in the live. Let's get some likes. We're gonna start trading in about 35 minutes. I'm new to futures from Forex. I just want to know lot calculation is the same in both. Like if I bought one contract on Euro USD, so $10 loss is 1 pip. Am I right? No, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that in futures. You got to actually test out what you're trading because some of these futures the uh the calculations are a little heavier because well I trade NQ and gold, so I know NQ and gold the contracts are a little bit heavier than Euro USD, but I ain't gonna lie, you just gonna have to play around with it a little bit, test it out. Oh dang. You don't have a time limit, but if you don't have a time limit to pay it, but if you say if you wait over a month, uh that combine is gonna rebill you another $50. So it's best to try to activate it as soon as possible because that combine is $50 a month. So if you take over a month to activate that XFA, they're just gonna charge you again. Oh my god, I'm playing terrible. Yeah, I'll go ahead and resign. Bad game. His rank is around 1300. That's pretty good. I just had a terrible game. I'm gonna go I'm gonna go to 1 minute. Oh my god, I'm doing stupid moves. You didn't see it though. Another stupid move. I got away with it though. Yeah, I think Magnus Carlsen won. It was Magnus Carlsen versus um Hans Niemann. Hans Niemann is like he's supposed to be the best chess player in America. I believe Magnus is like Norwegian or something like that. You ever consider only trading gold on one account and NQ on the other? No, I've never thought about doing that. I trust both gold and NQ, so I'll live with the results. Mm, mm, I might be trying something new today. Probably gonna try it on the Top Step account. Yeah, let me know how it works. That'll be a good way to collect some data. Mm, shout out 9 people in the live. Let's get some likes. Mm, mm, mm. Let me go ahead and do some markups real quick. Added a couple of indicators over the weekend during my back test session, so my win rate should slightly improve. So the EMA is, I put the EMA, a non-EMA on to determine the trend. The EMA will determine what the EMA is going to determine whether I can take a sell or a buy, and the liquidity level indicator is just a good indicator to show any zones, like for when I'm placing my TPs, and just obviously the same consolidation zone indicator. So slight adjustments. But as y'all know, first thing I want to do when I'm marking out my charts is I want to identify the trend. We are in a solid downtrend right now. Wipe my screen off. We're in a solid downtrend right now, so go ahead and mark that out. Yeah. Came with the 9. They fine. Too fine. Just for that night. I don't go for it. Just for that night. Louis came with his tie. So yeah, only looking for sales right now on NQ. Let's check out gold. So price has broken below this trend line. Should be getting some sales coming in gold. But for the EMA, if we have a 3 time frame confluence, so 15, 5, and 1, as y'all can see, the 15 is above this EMA, the 5 is above the EMA, and the 1 is above the EMA. So I'd only be looking for buys. Even though we're below the trend line, since we have a 3 time frame confluence on the EMA, that's a good confirmation that we should only be taking buys. As far as NQ goes, it's the same thing except in the opposite direction. 15 is below the EMA, 5 is below the EMA, and the 1 is below the EMA. So some solid sales for NQ. I'll get a couple stripes. I had a strap all day and night. I remember them cold nights. Go with it in. Come on, girl, let me get inside you. Behind you. If y'all, shout out to 13 people in the live. If y'all not in the Discord, join Discord. And drop a like. Hopefully we can have a good day. The goal is 7-0. We go 7-0. I should be back in profit on my funded, and all is well. I'm thinking about linking my accounts, because since I'm only risking 500 on my funded, I could link my combine to my funded right now, and yeah, I'm about to link them. I'm about to link them because since I'm only risking 500 on my funded, and um I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back New York, and I'm gonna trade my combine twice. So basically it's gonna be the same parameters. My combine I'm gonna trade with the same parameters as my funded today. So yeah, I'm finna go ahead and link them. Hopefully we have a good day. I can bring my funded account back. If we have a good day, that's why I was saying that today is kind of a big day for real because if we can have a good day today, my funded will be back in profit and my XFA will be up almost 1500. It'll be up over 1500. So I'll be like one more winning day away from having two XFAs. But it's all predicated on today being a good day. So we will see. We will see. Either way it go, I'm gonna trade my combine twice today. If you wanna preset your if you wanna preset your risk, you go to this left hand side where you see this column at. Go down to where you see settings. You click settings. You go to risk settings right here. And you want your TP. You want to go over here to profit. You want to set it to 100. I'm not gonna have a set TP of 100 today. I'm gonna be placing my TPs based off nearest zones. A lot of my trades will still have 100 TP, but just in case I see another zone, I'll go ahead and set it as 100. I'll go ahead and set it as 100, just so you never know. Markets could get a little hectic right after entering. You wanna make sure you wanna make sure you at least got it set. So I'll go ahead and set that. 15 minutes till we start trading. Yeah, that's nice. Mm-mm. 12 people, 8 likes. That's what's up. That's what's up. Let's see if we can get 10 likes. I'll get a couple more games in. Oh my God, I gotta wake up. Oh, here is on. Getting whooped on chest today. About 10 minutes, man. I'm finna get some push-ups in. Ugh. Ugh. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Have a good trading day, man. Ugh. 'Focusing. 5 minutes. Let me check. It's a slight I think streaming is like it's a slight 10-second delay. Might be a slight, yeah. It's a slight. So keep in mind if y'all are copy trading, keep in mind if y'all are copy trading, it's like a 10-second delay. So yeah. Shout out Rush Elsh. Just joined Discord. 2 minutes. You know, why my webcam not focusing? It's not focusing. All right, 1 minute. Let's go. All right, top down. 15 is under the 9 EMA. The 5 is under the 9 EMA, and the 1 is under the 9 EMA. So I'm only looking for sales. Just wait for a new zone to pop up. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Twelve people, 10 likes. Let's go. Let's go. We are now actively looking for a trade. I do have both of my accounts linked. Let's go. I'm excited. Let's have a good day, man. Let's have a good day. These two are linked. Starting off the day with 1 contract entries. If we get to $400 in profit, I will up my risk to 200. I mean, I will up my contract sizes to 2. As far as gold goes, 15 is below, 5 is below, 1 is below. So we are only looking for sales on gold as well. I don't do dates. I don't do. Let's go. Get them, son. You ready, man? You ready? Let's get some wins, man. Let's get some wins. 14 people in the chat, man. Let's turn up. We waiting for a nice setup. We're taking sales only right now. Let's see where NQ is tanking. Let's see where it's trying to target. So we do got some liquidity down here for this NQ tank. So this might be where NQ is trying to head right now. As far as gold, I mean, we see this right here, so yeah. Good job, chart audit. That's not my setup, so I'm not gonna take that. But good thing you hit. It looks like we're starting to get a crossover on gold. It hasn't quite yet crossed on the 5 or the 15, so or the 30, so we'd still be looking for sales. Shout out 15 people in the live. Link to the Discord in the chat. Link to my website in the chat. Link to Dono in the chat. And Q still tanking. We got a liquidity zone. This is a 4-hour liquidity zone down here, so this is where I'm assuming NQ is trying to go to. Looks like this 1 hour is filling in this candle. Got a demand zone right here. Another zone right here too. Trump will make gold crash. We got news today or something? Let me check. I didn't even check if we had news today. No, we don't got nothing crazy. Nothing crazy today. Still looking for sales only on both gold and NQ. Yeah, I'm always checking Forex Factory. Looks like we got a setup digits for him. Appreciate that chart audit. Once this candle closes, I'll mark the zone out. This 5 is trying to cross over. 15 still not quite yet. All right, here we go. All right, gold sells if we get a close below this consolidation zone. Let me mark it out on oh, I'm looking at the wrong chart. I'll define my target when I get my entry, but because I gotta see. I have $1,000. I have $1,000 left to draw down on my funded. My funded and my combine is now linked. My funded and my combine is linked right now, so should be interesting. Should be interesting. All right, we got an NQ zone. All right, looking for a close, looking for a 1 minute close below here, for this gold sale. Same goes for NQ. Got about 20 seconds left. All right, no close. Yeah, I'm a scalper. I might go for more than 5 points. It just depends on what the setup look like. Waiting for a close below here for these NQ sales. I'm only gonna hop in one position at a time. So if I'm only hopping in one position at a time. So whichever one gets me activated first is the trade I'm gonna take. These two accounts are linked right now. This funded is down 1,000. And this combine is up 600. So hopefully I can get the funded back to break even and get my combine up to like 1,500 today. That'll be a good day. No entry yet. Might get this NQ sell first. Waiting for the close though. 20 seconds. We got this liquidity zone down here. This is probably going to be the target. 10 seconds. All right, here we go. I'm in.
Order filled.
Mm,
Order filled.
just gave us an immediate rejection. That's cool though. Still waiting for this gold setup to form. $15 seconds for this next candle. Doesn't look like gold wants to close below. So first trade of the day is an L. About 30 seconds to this gold setup forms. First trade of the day was an L. It happens though. We're gonna take the same setup again. About 10 seconds to this gold sell is official. All right.
Order filled.
Gold sales is activated. Tell me they're trying to fake me out twice in a row. We're gonna let it play out though. Yeah, gold does give you more drawdown. Give you more drawdown room. That NQ was just a straight up fake out though. It wouldn't have mattered what my SL was. It was just a fake out. They're about the same. I get more setups with NQ, so my NQ is slightly lower, but that's just because I take way more trades on NQ than I do on gold. So this zone doesn't even matter anymore. The new NQ zone just formed, but I'm not gonna hop in an NQ trade and a gold trade at the same time, so I'm just gonna wait. I'll mark it out though. In the 5 and the 15, it's 5, 15, and 30 is all still below, so we got faked out, but I'm still gonna be looking for sales regardless. This target is 2708. Let me see where this is. Shout out 21 people in the live. Y'all gonna be real disappointed if I lose this gold trade because that's gonna be my daily loss. So it's gonna be a real quick stream if this gold trade loses. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. As y'all can see, my drawdown is getting we almost at that max drawdown for this funded account. So this is the performance we done had on this funded. So terrible performance so far on this funded, but you know, we're using the same strategy that got us funded. So you got to live with the results regardless. But as y'all know, these gold trades typically last a little bit longer than NQ trades, so might just be chilling here for a little bit.
Order filled.
Alright, we got the gold. We got the gold win. Let's go back to NQ. We got this NQ zone right here. NQ faked us out on that last sale, but I'm gonna stick with my strategy. If it breaks below, I'm hopping in again. As far as gold, it broke clean out the consolidation zone, so we're gonna wait for another zone to form. So we made some of that profit back. Just closed sale profit. Good job. My funded got blown on the last one. You must have over leveraged on it, Ricky. Quan, full port your NQ buys. I'm not gonna full port my NQ buys. I'm not even looking for buys. Over leverage gang. Y'all gotta chill with that over leveraging, bro. It's gonna bite y'all every time. It's gonna come back to bite every time. Yeah, I can't be over leveraging, man. Shout out 22 people in the live. Let's get some more likes. Yeah, funny, bro. Mm, 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 yeah, gold is tanking. I got the trade of micros, switched it up. Hey, if it works, it works. I'm mad you blew that funded, Ricky. Come on, Ricky. You worked too hard to get funded to blow it like that, bro. I'm gonna use this on. I usually don't use inside zones, but we got faked out on that last zone, so I'm trying to get in early. Yeah. I only risk $500 a day. My profit target is 1,000. Mm-mm. Looking for a close below this line for NQ sales. Mm-mm. 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 Let's check the funded. Let's check the. So our combine is up 500 still, so still good on the combine at least. Trying to bring this. We're down 1,200 on this funded, bro. Red Dead Redemption Part 2. Yeah, man, ain't no point in stressing, bro. We either gonna win or we gonna lose. Mm. At least we gonna win and lose together. Shit, fuck it. Gold just had a crazy rejection. Mm. Got another gold zone. Now wait for this candle to close for me to mark it out. 5. The 5 is starting to peak above that EMA. The 15 is not quite there yet, nor the 30. So we need at least 3 time frames above or below the EMA for me to decide my bias. So 1 is above. 5 is probably gonna get above. This 15 might get above. As far as NQ goes, NQ just got above the EMA. 5 still has a while to go. 15 still has a while to go. Looking for a close below those blue lines, man. And we'll have another entry. I'm in Dallas, Texas. It's 3:35 where I'm at. Good job, get him, son. Keep taking good setups. Shout out 22 people in the live, man. Let's get 20 likes. NQ got a long ways to go before I start thinking about taking buys. So I'm pretty much just gonna be ignoring these upwards movements. Back against the wall, we're looking for A+ setups. Looking for A+ setups, man. All right, this 5 is getting above the EMA on gold. This 15 is almost there. Mm-mm. 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 Almost buys are almost valid for gold. I'm waiting for NQ to cross over on the 15 MA. I need a 3 time frame confluence for me to form my bias. So NQ at this point it was above the EMA on the 1. It was slightly above the EMA on the 5, but it's nowhere near above the EMA on the 15. So it could just be a fake out, bro. You know, ain't no rush, bro. Ain't no rush. The setups are gonna keep on coming, man. Setups not going nowhere. Looks like we're about to get a gold sale in a little bit. I get this NQ selling a little bit. Shout out 23 people on the live, man. Let's get 20 likes. We've currently taken 2 trades today, 1 L, 1 winner. We're waiting for the third setup. I do currently have a funded account and a combine account linked together. Yeah, we got another zone for NQ. Yeah, it's really no telling what it's gonna do, but all I know is, man, it's never a good idea to go against heavy selling pressure. Never. You can probably get away going against some buying pressure, trying to get a sell at the top, but trying to buy at the bottom, you'll get effed over more often than not. And like I said before, this 15 is still way below the EMA. This 30 is still way below the EMA. This hour is like, look at the hour time frame. Like y'all are seeing some 1 minute buys, bro. But look at what's going on, bro. Like this is what y'all are buying against right now. Yeah, y'all might be able to get some quick, some real quick scalps, but I'm gonna pass on that. I'm gonna pass on that personally. Especially with my account being where it is right now. No way I'm taking that. Now if we can get a 3 time frame crossover, then yeah, I'll start thinking about buys. But right now, I'll just let it do what it wanna do. My TP is usually like 10 ticks, like $100, sometimes 200. That's about it. Looks like gold might get us in another one. I learned it myself. I made the strategy. If you want the full in-depth trading plan, it's a link in my description. You gotta go to my website. I'm not hopping in two at the same time, so if we can get so whichever one we can get activated in first is what I'm hopping in. 15 seconds till the close. It's not 100% sure it's gonna get there though. It's been rejecting before it can get down there. Shout out 25 people in the stream. Let's get 20 likes. Looks like I don't know. Waiting for a close below. Close below. $30 seconds. I mean, I win with it. It's a winning strategy if you execute it correctly. But any strategy you can lose. It got me funded multiple times, so, and multiple payouts. Yeah, I get a decent amount. I'm still relatively new to social media, so you know my phone ain't just going crazy, but um, it's a couple people in the Discord that book me for calls. But keep in mind, I just came to YouTube 2 weeks ago, so you know, give it 2-3 months. Give it 2-3 months. Give it 2-3 months. I'm pretty sure my phone is gonna be going super crazy. So far we've taken 2 trades today. We got 1 L and 1 winner. I'm waiting for this close on gold or NQ, and we can hop in another one. I do got my funded and my combine linked, so my goal for the day is to bring my funded back to break even and probably go and my goal for the day is to get my funded back to break even and get my combine up to like 1500. my goal for the week is to pass this combine, and hopefully I can have 2 XFAs by next week. But it's not really up to us. We just gonna take our setups and hope they play out. But like I was saying before, anybody can give you a winning strategy, but if you don't execute the strategy right, you're just gonna turn the winning strategy into a losing strategy. You can't over leverage. You can't be impatient. I got 12 payouts with Top Step, and I got like 3 payouts with Apex Trader Funding. Yeah, Price is really trying not to give us that close, man. Man, I hate when we get right there by a close and it wants to do a whole pullback, bro. Especially when we already been waiting about 15 minutes for the setup. That's just what comes with it, though. This is what I mean where you gotta execute the strategy correctly. If the strategy is that you wait for the close below, you gotta wait for the close below. Shout out 27 people in the live, man. Another rejection. We might get NQ finally. Come on, bro. Give me the close. The 5 is above the EMA. 15 almost above the EMA. Once this 15 gets above the EMA, my bias is going to change to buys on gold. Still got a little bit to go. There's no chance of me taking buys on NQ though. No chance. Oh yeah, you're right. Mondays, yeah, I forgot about that, Larry. Mondays are usually Monday. I'm not gonna say usually, but Mondays have been a little rough. Mondays have been a little rough lately. We've just been bouncing around in this consolidation zone for like literally the past 30 minutes. So any supply and demand, if y'all are some supply and demand traders, y'all could have been hitting off these, could have been hitting off a couple of bounces here and there. Might get this gold sale finally. I sent friend requests a long time ago. You'll know if it's me because my PSN is linked to my Discord. My PSN is Draco funded. So make sure, another rejection. So make sure you click on the profile and swipe to see, if you see Draco funded as the PSN. Plus, I got like 5-10 animations on my Discord profile. So I made it as easy as possible to recognize. Yeah, it's a lot of people. There's a lot of people trying to use my name in this game, and it's only going to get worse as time goes on. So I would say best bet I would say is to join the. Well, I'm pretty sure you're already in the Discord, but for others, if you're trying to message me, join the Discord and then click my name in the Discord to get to my profile. Because there's a lot of people that done already made fake accounts and they just titled their name Top Step Drake. You know, that's just what come with this social media stuff. We might get the close below. We got about 20 seconds. Ten seconds. All right, we're gonna have to get in on this candle, hopefully. It didn't. It closed right. It closed like right on the line, you know. So they kind of play. They was kind of playing with me on that entry, but it's whatever. We can get in on this next candle. $15 seconds till I hop in. All right, I'm
Order
in.
filled. Order filled.
Yeah, TP smash. Let's get some likes for that quick TP smash, man. Let's wait for another setup. Let's clear the screen. Let's clear the screen a little bit. If y'all like to hold y'all trades, man, let's go. Let's go. It's tanking right now. Yo, this tanking right now. Um, yeah, gold gives you more space. Gold definitely gives you more space. But I trust both pairs. it's kind of they kind of go back and forth. Like I have a real good week on NQ one week, and then I have a real good week on gold. So you know, I'm almost at TP. Good shit, TK. Good shit. Good shit. Keep in mind, for those of y'all in the Discord, keep in mind it is a full moon. It is a full moon today, so expect more volatility than usual. If y'all don't know, there is a strategy called lunar cycle trading. People believe that the moon affects human emotions, so with that being said, it should be a lot more volatility. That explains why it's been a lot of heavy sales going on today. We got a long ways to go though, boys. We got a long ways to go. We got about 8 trades to win in a row, bro. 8 trades in a row. That's what we need today. 8 trades in a row. Let's see if we can do it. If we can get an 8 trade win streak, my funded account will be back break even, and my combine will be up like 1,500. So that's what we going for. That's what we going for. All right, we got another NQ zone. Close below here. I'll be in for a sale. $30 seconds. 20 seconds.
Order
All right, I'm in. Keep in mind, I think it is like a slight 10-second delay from stream to where I'm at, so keep that in mind. NQ is, bro, faking me out like crazy today, bro. NQ is faking me out like crazy today.
Order filled.
Another fake out on NQ, bro. Got a zone on gold. Bro, and then it just liquidated me and retraced, bro. That's annoying. Another fake out, bro. That's 2 fake outs on NQ today. One more L, I'll be at my daily loss. Super annoying, bro. Super annoying. Super annoying, bro. I'm gonna try the zone. I'm gonna try the zone again. If we get another close below the zone, I'm gonna try it again. Yeah, bro. It just. If we get another, if this one closes below, I'm gonna try the trade again. I'm probably gonna have an extended TP for this trade. It has to close below that line again, though. No, I didn't give it to me. We got another zone. Good shit, my trader talk. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I'm risking 250. I'm risking 250 a trade, so let me pull out the calculator. 327 plus 250. So I'm gonna just keep it what it is. My daily loss is at 600. Usually I risk 500, but it's whatever. So if my next trade is a loss, I'll lose $577. As long as I'm still in that 500 range, I'm not tripping. Yeah, bro. Yeah, it just happens like this sometimes. I ain't tripping. Yeah, that's only yeah, I'll only be down 577, so I'll still be in that 500 range. No, I'm already down. I'm already down. I'm already down 327. Because typically with my negative RR, I can put together a decent sized win streak. So my trade by trade risk reward is negative, but my daily RR I risk 500 for 1,000. But that's all predicated that I can get a good win streak going. But my next trade, if I can get see some good momentum, I'll extend my TP a little bit, maybe. If not, I'll just keep it at 100. Yeah, but these NQ's just been faking me out all day. Gold treated me pretty good, but these NQ fake outs is affecting my balance right now. So this funded is almost wiped out, but I'll still have tomorrow if we lose this next trade. My combine, I'm still up $300. I'm gonna trade this combine again, New York at 10 a.m. By the way. I promise you, my win streak comes with the same trades that y'all are seeing me take today. They're just losing. Good shit, get him, son. We're in a pretty tough we're in this pretty tough consolidation zone. That's kind of what it's looking like is going on. Pretty tough range right here for NQ. So yeah, if I lose again, that'll be the last trade before I lock my account out. But you know, it's never over till it's over. I've came back from worse. I'm gonna stick with the yeah, I'm used to it now though. Sometimes being on stream helps me trade better. If I'm being honest with you. You know, I got people holding me accountable. Obviously, you don't want to lose on stream, but that's just the reality of trading. So, yeah, just waiting for another zone to form. It doesn't technically, they don't technically all have to be in a row. But typically when I go up $400 in profit, I up my contract size to 2, and then I start going for $200 a trade, so it makes it easier. But for me to even get to two contracts, I'm gonna have to win at least 7 trades in a row. So the moment, which once again is not, it's not impossible to do. It's not something I haven't done before. The only reason I have so much confidence in the strategy is because I've done it before, you know. Hopefully this can be a good example of a comeback, but if not, oh well. But the only thing is when I go down this much and I have to make a comeback, we're probably gonna end up trading into New York session. That's the only thing. Shout out 24 people in the live. I trade full time. Exactly. It can get rough when you're back against the wall, but you know, I've been in so many situations where like back against the wall, I decide to change my strategy up, and then right when I change my strategy up is when my win streak would have hit. So that's why I just uh win, lose or draw, just gotta stick to it to the end. The only time I make adjustments to my strategy is over the weekend on Saturdays, where I do a whole back test session, and I try to improve. But as soon as the week starts, I'm my strategy is locked in. Yeah, so obviously gold has been moving a lot better today than NQ. Yeah, man, I upgraded the setup a little bit. I quit my job early, bro. Don't do what I did. I quit my job. I quit my job before I was even making. I quit my job before I was even like profitable for real. But that pressure made me really lock in, so that's why I did it. But I don't recommend y'all do that. But I realized I could quit when I started getting payouts for real. Like last year when I had got 12 payout. Last year I made like 15, like 15, 20K from Top Step. That's when I was just like, man, I'm done. But but keep in mind this that's another reason why I hopped on YouTube, because at any point in time you can have a rough trading week or a rough trading month. So you need another source of income. Even if you do quit your job to trade, you still gonna need another source of income. You don't want to just trade, bro, because you can get weeks like this and there'll be nothing you can do about it. And if you don't have any other source of income when you go full time, you're gonna start breaking. It's gonna be even harder to follow your rules because you're gonna really want to win. So I suggest if you start making money and you do want to go, full time, you should hop on YouTube. Hop on YouTube, build a community first. Build some trust with newer traders, or intermediate traders that could use your advice. Start giving them advice, help them make money. So even if you have a rough week, your students is having a good week, and they'll book you for coaching. You can still be getting booked for coaching calls and stuff like that, even if you have a bad week. So moral of the story is, even if you do go full time, you're gonna need another source of income. Yeah, yeah. Especially if you got heavy bills. Just it ain't being a full time trader. I mean, it's the best thing about being a full time trader is just the amount of time that you have, per se. But I mean, it's not really nothing too crazy. Not until you get to that next level where you're really good. But I'm still at the level where it's like I'm making enough money to replace a job, but it's not like I'm making enough money to go fucking move to Miami or nothing like that, because it's still a slow incremental progress of of building your accounts and stuff like that. and they still tax your money at the end of the day. Yeah. No, no house tour right now, man. No house tour right now. Yeah, bro. There's no need to gatekeep. And I got so much knowledge, bro. Like, I got so much knowledge about this trading shit. I couldn't even possibly tell y'all everything I know. Like the stuff that I just be saying, it's just still like stuff at the top of my head. It's so much. It's like there's really never. We might get another gold setup. These gold setups been treating us pretty good, so I'm pretty confident in it. There's so much stuff to go with this trading stuff. It's really no end to how much you can learn.
Order
All right, I'm in
filled.
again. If this trade loses, this will be the last trade of the day. But gold been treating us pretty good, so hopefully we get the win. Nah, the most. If y'all see me trade anything else other than these consolidation zones, it's gonna be liquidity grabs or like a supply and demand. That's about it.
Order filled.
Yeah, man, we should have just only did gold today. If I'm being honest with y'all, we should have just only did gold today. But you can't predict these things. I didn't know NQ was gonna be like this today. Speaking of, we got another zone. This NQ is above the 1 minute, above the 5 minute. Still nowhere near close to this 15. So, and we got some liquidity right here, so we could get a rejection. Could get a rejection right there. Man, bro, if we would have only tried to go today, we would have been good. No, I wasn't able to get the live funded account because the 12 payouts I got to get live funded, you have to get like you gotta get to get live funded, you gotta get like 6 payouts or something like that in a row on the same funded account. So my 12 payouts that I got wasn't all on the same account. So they didn't give me live funded. So I mean, we're down 230. I mean, that's not too bad. You know, we could possibly still come back. Um, it's gonna take it's gonna take some work though. That's for sure. It's gonna take some work. All right, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do because since these consolidation zone setups isn't falling on NQ right now, I'm gonna use a liquidity grab setup. Um, if we can get a bearish close, a bearish doji like this, and then it breaks below, I'll be in on that. Same risk parameters as usual though. It's gonna be a stop sell. It's gonna be a stop sell right there if we can get that break below. All right, it already broke the high of that candle, so this is invalid. I'm gonna delete it. Now, I really don't care about getting live funded because all it means to get live funded is that they're gonna start making money. It doesn't matter. It doesn't really affect you. When you get live funded, all that means is that they're gonna hook your account up to their to their to their big ass pool of money. So when you hit, so basically, if I got live funded, I'll be popping these one contracts for my entries, but on their big ass pool of money, they're gonna be popping like 30 contracts just copy trading my trades. But you have to prove to them that you're an actual good trader for them to link their account to you. I mean, it's a sign of respect at the end of the day. I mean, you can wear it like a badge of honor because that means that this multi-million-dollar company is taking the same trades as you. So I mean, you're definitely like that if you can get live funded, but it doesn't really help you out. It doesn't really help you out at all. If anything, it'll probably make it harder. I think you may get like instant withdrawals or something like that. Maybe that's the only thing. I'm not sure though. Is this a new zone or is this the same? This is a new zone, ain't it? Yeah. Is this a new zone? Pretty sure it is. Yeah, but as far as NQ goes, I'm probably not gonna take any more consolidation setups on NQ, bro. I'm not finna just keep playing with NQ. I'll still trade NQ, but it's probably gonna be like a strong liquidity grab setup or something of that nature. Cause like I said, I like consolidation zones, but I have multiple strategies in my arsenal. So if it's a day like this and I just clearly see consolidation zones isn't hitting, I can always switch it up. But like NQ probably will buy up until this point. Shout out 22 people in the live, man. Let's get 20 likes. Let's see. NQ is above almost. NQ is almost above the 15 EMA. So once the 1, 5, and 15 is all in confluence above this EMA, that's when I'll start taking buys. Okay, so one thing y'all gotta always be aware of is the time, because a lot of people always look at the technicals, but if I'm being honest with y'all, the easiest way to make some money is just paying attention to what time it is. So y'all see this 4-hour candle only has 30 minutes left. At probably like 30 minutes ago, this 4 hours way down here. As y'all can see, if y'all just go in the history and look at all these 4-hour candles, every single 4-hour candle is gonna have a wick retracement. So if you are ever looking at a candle and it's like 30 minutes left till close and it's a full size wick, you can get an easy win by just basically just betting that it's gonna be some sort of retracement, because damn near no 4-hour candle is gonna close without a big ass wick. Like you see all these wicks, like that's just how 4 hours like to close. So another reason for all this buying that's going on right now, even though we're in a heavy downtrend, is just the fact that there's only 30 minutes left for this 4-hour candle. So it's just forming the wick. That's just all it is. Now this is already a decent sized wick, so there's no guarantee it's gonna keep pushing up. But like, say if price pushes back down again, with like 10 minutes left, we could just hop in for some easy buys just to push it back up. But yeah, that's all that's going on right here. Really no good entries for NQ. I'm not forcing any NQ trades either, so yeah. Same thing that goes for this 4 hour on gold. Just a nice it's just forming a nice little wick since it's only 20 minutes left for this 4 hour candle. It'll do the same thing on the hour as well, except the wick's not going to be as big. But as you can see, pretty much every single candle has a wick. So if you ever see a full size candle and there's only like 10 minutes left before the close, most likely it's gonna shoot up. I already started. I already started, Micah. I'm finna show you. Yeah. For those of y'all who don't know, I'll put a link in. I'll put a link in the chat. But basically, for those of y'all who don't know, I do already have a full website developed because a lot of people was asking me for coaching and stuff like that. But besides the coaching, this is really what everybody's just been buying because people want to know. People just want to know if you don't need the actual full one-on-one coaching, which I still do recommend. You could literally just go get my entire trading plan. It includes the risk reward management. It got pictures of setups that I take. Entry rules, everything. This got everything in it, and it's just for $10. As far as the coaching calls, as y'all can see, the more calls you do, the cheaper the package is. I would just recommend just getting the 10 call session because you can spread it out. 1 call a week, that'll be basically a 10-week mentorship. And by the time you're done with that, there's a very, very high chance you can come out profitable. It'll still be all up to you though, because I can tell you everything I know, but the main thing is can you implement it and can you actually do it? But the main sauce is most of y'all just need to develop some sort of routine to get y'all mind in the right place before y'all start trading. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. It is a crazy deal, and like I said, you can literally spread that out for 10 weeks. It's basically a 10-week mentorship, plus you can hop on my lives every day. So you'll get the specific one-on-one calls where you come to me with y'all specific questions that y'all are specifically struggling with, and you can just join my free lives and get the game that I give out on free lives, and you can join the Discord. I'm giving out game on the Discord, like giving out free game, bro. Giving out free game every day. Okay, so we getting it looks like they're both doing the same. Oh wait, I was looking at the same chart. And I promise you, not all the people, but most of the people that charge more, like a lot of these people are just getting, a lot of these people are just booking mentorships with marketers. A lot of the people that sell the most mentorships, it's crazy the world we live in, but the people that sell the most mentorships aren't the people that actually trade, bro. It's just the people who got good credit and they go get a fancy car and then just tell everybody they're good at trading. It's not really people teaching who's in the reality of this shit, Yeah, you'd be down today, bro. There's no well, I mean, there's some people that just because you have my strategy doesn't mean you have to trade at the same time as me or take the same setups as me. You can add your own personal preference. And don't get it twisted. I lose too, just like everybody else. You'll never find a trader that doesn't lose. But as of right now, I'm down. I mean, as of right now, I'm only down $230. So, and we're still going. My max daily loss is 500. So until I hit that $500 mark, I'm still in the game. The box, uh, yeah. Hold on, it looks like we're getting some action real quick. Let me see what's going on. Yeah, don't get it twisted. There, you will never come across a trader, and that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. A lot of these marketers got people fooled because because what marketers do is they get on YouTube and they only post wins, and they give people the impression that they just win every day. And not only that, they come on YouTube and they post 1 to 3 wins every day, 1 to 2 RR wins every day. There's no way. There's no way you're winning 1 to 3s and 1 to 2s every single day, bro. It literally just makes no logical sense. But people eat that stuff up. I already decided when I was coming to YouTube, I'm coming with the reality of this shit, you know. But you said bro charges 190 an hour. It's crazy work. People tell me I'm taxing. People tell me I'm taxing. I'm doing literally 10 calls for fucking 350. Uh, but yeah, I mean, I really have no reason to overly tax people because, like I said, I really just came to YouTube just so if I do have a bad week to help people, yeah. But you know, obviously, it's gonna always be something in for me as well. So like, if I do have a bad week or if I do have a bad month, I still have some sort of backup income I have just from teaching people the stuff I know. And yeah, I'm still proud to say I've only been on YouTube like 2 weeks for real, and the Discord is almost at 100 members. So that just shows that people, appreciate the value I'm providing at the very least. I used to watch Swaggy C. Swaggy C is a legit trader. People say his the thing that they say about Swaggy C is he's a legit trader, but he was making money, bro. He was making money before trading. You know, he was already on TV and doing stuff like that before trading. So it was like people didn't know if he was really making all this money from trading or was he making it from TV or was he making it from the courses. And then he had that little scandal. He had Swaggy C had a little scandal where like um Swaggy C would drop like a whole new course like damn near every month. So like every month he drop a new course. So the people would buy his course 1 month, and then the very next month he drop a whole nother course. So it's like, why did I just buy this course last month if you was just gonna drop a whole nother one this month? And he just kept doing that over and over and over again. So it's like, bro, you're dropping a lot of courses, bro. So how are you dropping so many courses month after month? You know, that doesn't make any sense. Like, how much information are you leaving out? And if you're not leaving any information out, that just means that you're just literally telling people the same stuff over and over again in a different on a different in a different course, and just having them pay again and again and again. But it's just I mean, it's just a business method at the end of the day. All right, so we can officially start taking buys on NQ. So if we get a break above here, I'll take that buy. Gold is looking pretty good. Okay, so actually gold is above on the 1, above on the 5, and it's not above on the 15 yet. Um, Uh, I haven't. How much do I make on calls on YouTube? I'm not gonna specify exactly how much I make on calls, but it's picking up. It's picking up. I'll say the least. And I'm not quite yet monetized on YouTube. I need about 3 hours. Three more. I mean, 3,000 more hours of watch time to get monetized on YouTube. Because in order to get paid on YouTube, obviously your channel has to get monetized. So you have to have 1,000 subscribers and you have to have 4,000 hours worth of watch time. So these live streams really help my watch time as well. Looks like we're about to get this buy on NQ. Hopefully it does me right. I'm in.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, there we go. We almost back break even, guys. Let's get some likes in the chat. Let's get some likes in the chat. We get back break even. We was down bad earlier. We was down bad. We are now officially looking for buyers on NQ. Comeback season, Micah. Comeback season. Might be comeback season, bro. Might be comeback season. But this is why I say sometimes streaming helps me trade better, because like I was literally not even paying attention to the chat, you know what I'm saying? I was literally not even really paying that much attention to the chart. You know, if I was just trading by myself, I would have started getting maybe like a little impatient because I've just been waiting for so long. But you know, I'm just sitting here talking to y'all, and I just looked up on the screen and I seen a zone form. Hop in, you know, it's not that serious. But I realize a lot of people tell me I make it look easy because I'm so relaxed. That that comes with the psychology. That comes with the psychology of the stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like I can tell y'all everything what to do, but you gotta, if you can't keep a cool head, you're just gonna mess up. Because the reason people lose in this game isn't because they don't know how to trade. It's because they can't handle their emotions. And there's always and it's not and some people, what I used to do, which I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all do, is y'all come to the markets and y'all just say, okay, today I'm going to control my emotions. Today I'm going to control my emotions. It doesn't work like that. You don't just come to the charts and control your emotions, but there is things that you can do before you get to the charts that can help you control your emotions better. You know what I'm saying? Like people don't tell you this type of stuff, but if you meditate before you come to the charts, all of a sudden you're just gonna have a level head. If you eat healthy before you come to the charts, you're gonna notice you have a level head. If you work out before you come to the charts, you're gonna notice you have a level head. You can't just come to the markets and say today I'm gonna control my emotions. You have to actually do stuff. There's specific things that you can do before you come to the charts that would make it easier for you. The easier it is. And another thing, this is why I listen to music. What do you think the music is doing? The music keeps me chilling too. You have to have systems in place, because we're all humans. So no matter how good you think that no matter how hard you try to control your emotions, if you don't have any systems in place to help you, you're gonna fail. A lot of people, a lot of people get off of work. A lot of people, I used to do this when I was working. I would get off of work. I'd be at work 10 hours. I used first of all I used to be at work trading, which was stupid. If y'all one of those people that trade while y'all at work, go ahead and stop doing that. That's not gonna that's not gonna get it done. I used to do the same thing. If it don't trade while y'all at work and don't trade right when you get off of work, your mind is not in the right place, bro. It's not gonna work. You're gonna do something dumb and you're just gonna think you just did it for no reason, but there's actual reasons behind why you did what you did. I used to go to work. I used to be at work. I used to go to the restroom and start trading on my phone. Like that's how bad it used to be. Nah, for real. That's just gambling, bro. You're not even really looking at the chart. Like I'm on TradingView app on my phone, like zooming in, trying to make sure, trying to make sure, like, bro, you're just gambling. You're just gambling, bro. Mm-mm. All right, we got another NQ zone. I'll wait till this candle close to mark it out. Yeah. This is why we use tight TPs as well. This candle just barely hit our TP and then immediately started rejecting. So that's the first W of NQ for the day. Builds my confidence a little bit back up. All right, so 1 is below, the 5 is above, the 15 is like right there. So we're still looking for buys on NQ. Still looking for buys right now. Let's check out gold real quick. 5 is above, 15 isn't quite there yet, so not really too sure about gold right now. I actually took a break. I took a break from smoking. I used to smoke a lot, but the thing with me, I didn't stop smoking because it affected my trading per se. I stopped smoking because it affected my speech. Like I'd start like I notice after I smoke, I stutter more. And since I'm gonna be on live and coaching people, I can't be, you know, I gotta have full cognitive function. So I stopped smoking. But in terms smoking is kind of like a personal preference type thing because before I was on social media and stuff like that, I was smoking and trading, and some days I noticed it affect me, some days it wouldn't. But I'm not gonna take that. But if you can keep a clear head and smoking just kind of eases your emotions, then it'll help you. But like I said, smoking is like a personal preference thing. You have to make that call. I'd say I'd say if it makes you anxious, then you gotta stop. Or at least a good thing to do is to smoke probably like maybe 2 hours, depending on how strong of the gas you got. Smoke like maybe 2 hours before you hit the charts. Get a good workout in, and you'll notice that you'll still have a nice little buzz, but since you got the workout in, you'll still be clear headed. So you just have to find what works for you. Yeah, I stopped cold turkey, but I was never really a heavy smoker. Like I wasn't a smoker that was addicted per se. I was just like a pastime type of smoker. Like I ain't doing nothing, let's smoke, whatever. So it really wasn't nothing for me to stop smoking. if I do smoke, it'll be like on a Sunday, just I don't got nothing to do, or like an event and I'm with a whole bunch of people. But I don't just smoke just to smoke anymore. I treat smoking like wine. You know what I'm saying? Like on a special day, I'll roll one up. But I'm not just smoking just to smoke. Mm, 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 mm. I'm just going to clear this out. We've been on these charts for a good little minute, so I'm gonna remark my charts up. Let's just get a good little overview of what's going on again, because we've been here for a cool little minute. So the same thing we marked out at the beginning of the stream. Always good if you already been trading for like an hour or something. Just make sure you still got a clear understanding of what's going on. So we're actually just tapped into this actually could be considered like the third tap on this trend line, which could uh which could be another reason why um oh, and it's 3 minutes left on this hour. We got a support right here. So price came down, pretty much tapped this trend line, and now it shot up and it's trying to close above this support right here. So that's what's going on the hour. This hour closes in 2 minutes. Um, so that explains this 30-minute candle. I have a feeling when this next hour comes in, it's just gonna completely retrace this hour, because this was just one of those close rejections where it's just forming a wick. Like I said before, the 4 hour is gonna always form a wick before the close. So that's all this is. It's just gonna close right here, and when this next 4 hour candle opens, it's probably just gonna come right back down. So it's gonna catch a lot of people who think that the whole trend just changed, but it's probably just gonna come right back down, honestly. But right now we got the 1 minute above the five. We got the 1 minute above the EMA, the five above the EMA, and the 15 is just almost above the EMA. And we got the zone right here. So I still will, if we get the opportunity. If we get the opportunity, I might take that buy. Might take this buy if we get the opportunity. Let's see what NQ is doing. Same thing. Actually, before I look at NQ, let me make sure I don't get this gold set up. 20 seconds. It rejected. It rejected right before that close, so it doesn't really want to buy for real. All right, let's look at NQ. So I mean, it's just a clear downtrend on NQ. Um, this 4 hour. Let's see what the 4 hour looks like, and let's see like what are we even what if we've been rejecting this whole time? We got this liquidity down here. Um, and we got the support right here. So it it respected the support right here. Let's see if this hour closes above. Yeah, so that hour did close above. Uh, so it's just finna reach. It looking like it might just retrace the move that just happened. Like I said, I need a 3 time frame confluence with the EMA for me to form a bias. So this 1 is telling sales, the 5 is telling sales, and the 15 is telling sales. So if we can get another zone to form, I'll be looking for sales on NQ. Um, as far as wait a minute, why is this gold? Oh, never mind, I'm tripping. All right, so gold buys, buys, looking like buys. All right, we might get this buy on gold. The zone is right here. Yeah, it would have been too risky. Yeah, if you know you're doing it too much, man, just cut down. Or what I told my partner smoke a lot too. I told him before you smoke, you smoking as a reward and not just as a pastime. So like if you have a successful trading session, go smoke. You know what I'm saying? If you got a good workout in, go smoke. If you make some money, go smoke. But don't just wake up and just just smoke just to smoke. It's gonna give you a brain fog. So if we can win this next trade, we will be back break even on the day. So that's pretty good, and we can start actually starting some cushion. So this is gonna be a pretty long trading session if we pull this comeback off. That's for sure. All right, here we go. We got another zone. Well, I'll just keep using this zone right here because it's getting respected so much. NQ1 not placing my trades. I don't know what you got going on. I might get a gold buy. Ugh. All right, we're looking for buys on NQ again. I've just been doing this for a while, bro. This is my fourth year trading. So I've blown plenty of accounts. I've made decent amount of money. I've lost a lot of live funds before. You get numb to it eventually, bro. And and like I said, I got a stable routine that I come to the charts with before I come to the charts that helps me keep a clear mental. I was literally yeah, I was literally down like I was literally one trade away from my daily drawdown earlier. We just managed to, kind of scrap and claw our way back. And you gotta have, as long as you have confidence in your strategy, then you'll be good. So we got another zone that just formed on NQ. We're looking for buys. Oh, bro, and if you would have seen the way we was losing earlier, bro, like I'm getting faked out. I was getting faked out, bro, just straight up fake outs. Looks like the zone went away. It's just getting clean faked out. We might get this gold by in a little bit. Let's see. You gotta just kind of be detached from the money, because once you realize that you can't decide your winners, it's like, why trip on it? Just follow your strategy and let the results be the results. I heard a speech from Kobe Bryant. He was like, I heard a speech from Kobe Bryant and he made a lot of sense. He basically just said, like, all you can do, like, if you're in the finals, he was speaking about playing in the finals. He was basically just saying all you can do is just uh go out there and put your best foot forward. And if you win, good job. You're gonna have to go back to the gym later and practice again to win again anyways. And if you lose, okay, it sucks, but guess what? You're just gonna have to go back to the gym and practice some more anyways. So either way, go win, lose, or draw, you still got a whole nother trade to take. It literally, even if you win, it's really no point in getting too happy because you got a whole nother trade to take. You could just lose that trade. So why are you getting happy about it? That's why it's all about staying here. The moment you start getting too high off a win is when you're gonna take a L and you're gonna drop too low and you're gonna crash your account. Or if you get too low off a loop, you don't want to get too high or too low, bro. So when you win, you can go like right here. When you lose, you can go like right here, but never go way up here or way down here. At least wait until the trading day is over. Like, until I lock my account out, I'm basically like right here. Once I lock my account out, then I might get a little happy. But before then, we just chilling. A lot easier said than done, though. Yeah, I'm in the Apex Discord. I seen that. I ain't gonna lie, Apex has a lot of issues. Like, I think they like they they'll send a message in the Discord like once a month saying that something is going wrong with something. I think they're actually getting sued right now. They're getting sued right now for some sort of I forgot. I don't want to misquote it, but they are getting sued for something right now. Not for nothing fraudulent per se, but I think they're getting sued for like some of the equipment they use or something like that. Something like that. All right, 15 and the 1 is dropping below on gold. If we can get a 5 minute to drop below, we'll be good for the sales. And a lot of y'all haven't even seen, like, I usually I literally haven't been in fucking profit today. But usually after I take a win, I add my profits to my SL, so my SL gets even bigger. That's another reason why I'm able to go on long win streaks. But I haven't been in profit, so all my has been stuck at 250. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close and then I'm gonna mark this zone out. All right. All right. Sales are official for NQ right now. Let's mark it out. All right. Ooh, might get that. Nah, it didn't give it to us. It almost gave us an impulse. It almost gave us an impulsive entry. But nah, I wasn't able to get it. So if this stays below this line, I'll be in. I almost gave us that entry. Shout out 24 people. Appreciate you, Dustin. Shout out 24 people, 26 people now in the live. Let's get 20 likes. Um, 30 seconds till this close and we will have our entry. Ten seconds. 5. All right, I'm in.
Order filled.
Looks like that support down there was stronger than I wanted it to be. I seen that support down there, but I didn't think it was gonna reject that hard if I'm being honest with you.
Order filled.
And yeah, that this support was super strong. I thought it was gonna be able to at least hit TP before it rejected like that. Right back down. That's why it really ain't no point in getting happy. Still got this zone. Still got this zone here on gold. I probably could have passed. I could have passed up on that trade, but I like to take the setup when I see the setup. That's three L's on That's three L's on NQ today. It's not always at the end. If we get this close on gold, I'll be in. All right, I'm in.
Order filled.
Why do I feel like I lost more than I should have on that last trade? Nah, that was 250. If this trade loses, I'll be locked out. Bad bad day for NQ today, bro. Bad day. Let me do some math real quick on this SL 387. 387 plus 250. 637. My SL before the lockout has to be 637 for this trade. The NY stream is gonna be at 10 a.m. because on the NY stream, I'll be trading this combine. My max daily loss for my funded, I got it at 600, but my max daily loss for my combine is like 1,000. So that's why I'm able to trade the combine 2 times in one day, but this funded I'm only trading once. Literally every single loss I've taken today has been on NQ. Shout out 27 people in live. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If I get back break even again, I'm gonna call it for this stream, and I'm just gonna come back and I'm gonna trade both on live. I'm gonna trade both during New York. So this like we've been chopping around so much during this session. My goal is just to get back break even, and then I'm gonna come back during New York. I feel like that's gonna be the best option because if I try to go for my full TP off the off chance I can get a damn comeback, we're gonna be trading until fucking 7 a.m. bro. Let's just look how close that was real quick. Uh,
Order filled.
Yeah. One pip rejection to take us out for the day, bro. Look at the performance on this funded, bro. Look at this, bro. Terrible. Terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Uh so yeah, I'll probably trade my I'll probably trade this combine at 10. So this is basically, oh shit, is this locked out too? Nah, this ain't locked out. So this is basically back at break even, but uh uh Top Step does a trailing drawdown anyways though. So even though technically I'm break even, I'm actually still down 600. So yeah. This funded damn near just got one trade left. So no, that's just gonna have to play out how it plays out. Uh it's gonna feel like a big ass waste of time if I lose a funded without getting a payout on it. But just is what it is. Uh let's review some of the trades that we took today. Start the day off with an NQL, gold dub, NQL, gold dub, NQL, gold L. So, I mean, eventually gold was gonna give us an L, I guess, but got faked out on this NQ entry, got faked out on this NQ entry. This one, I'll just say was just a bad trade, I guess. I mean, I followed the rules, but it was a support. It was a support right below my entry, so I didn't think it was gonna bounce off it as hard as it did, but it did. And then gold just finally didn't come through. Gold just finally didn't come through, but this is the performance of this funded account. Been a terrible performance. Been a terrible performance all in all. Uh, uh, Not too emotionally invested in it though. You know, I'm not gonna. I mean, it's no. I couldn't crash this account out. It's already fucking only $300 left in it though. But can't predict these things. I back tested this weekend and added a few adjustments. But just trades didn't play out. Trades is not playing out. Trades is just simply not playing out. This yeah, I'm gonna be trading. I'm gonna be trading. I'm gonna be trading NYC. Bro, in a little bit though. I'm gonna put London down. Nah, for real. Because at least during NYC, like you're not gonna get faked out. It's just gonna lose. It's just gonna lose really quickly or win really quickly. You know. Uh, London can always fake you out a little bit. Because it's just not enough volume. Yeah, so I'm gonna trade NYC at 10 a.m. Central Time. Yeah, bro, it's just not been hitting London session, bro. I'm gonna take this as a sign to put London session down, bro. Literally. But I already said last week that if Monday is a losing day, Tuesday I'm not even gonna trade London. I'm just gonna go straight for New York since it's gonna be the last. I literally only got $300 left to draw down. So I basically have one trade. Basically have one trade to take. So yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. We're gonna see how that goes tomorrow. Uh, yeah. Shout out shout out all the people who was in the live, but shit, you know, that's that. This is how this funded is gone so far, literally. Started off good, took some L's, took some L's. Tuesday, like these are all London session trades, by the way. Like Tuesday didn't even give me a chance. Lost, win, lost, done. Wednesday we was able to fully complete the win streak, but that was the only day. After that, came to the charts, lost, lost, lost. Friday, win, win, lost, lost. As y'all seen today, I mean, we tried putting up a little bit of a fight, but shit, just took the L. So yeah, only one day left. Only one day left. Lost a little bit more. Lost a little bit more than intended. That's never, you know, that's never ideal. But considering we hadn't lost on gold all day, I was comfortable risking, you know, a little extra $100, just to see if we can pull it out. Still didn't play out. But yeah, Tuesday we'll decide if this account gets wiped out. I won't be trading Tuesday during London session because I'm just gonna, I mean, shit, look at the data, bro. That hoe is not hidden. And a lot of times markets do change, you know, over the course of the year. So this just might not be a good season for London right now, for whatever reason. You're using boot camp for NYC or this funded? I don't know what you're talking about. Basically, I'm done trading London on. I'm basically done trading London for the rest of the week at least, because tomorrow, I'm trading NYC today on the combine, because the combine I have a higher risk threshold for my combine account. So yeah, I'm fucking done with It's tough to give up on the session that got you funded, but it's just not hitting the same as it was last week. Simple as that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna change the whole strategy, but I'll change sessions, man. I mean, eventually something gotta give. So I'll change my session up, or at least test it out. Yeah. But still not over. Still not over, because either way it goes, my intentions when I come to the market is to go on a 7-trade win streak. So if tomorrow I come London session, and I mean if tomorrow I come NYC and it's a winning day, then either way it go, I'm not supposed to take an L in the first place. So all hope is not lost. Still got enough for one trade. As long as we got enough for one trade, we got enough to string together a win streak. Gotta remember that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off so I can get some rest for NYC. And hopefully I can at least make 1,000. Hopefully I can at least make 1,000 on this combine. Yeah. Hopefully I can at least make 1,000 on this combine tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, but during NYC session. And I'll have, you know, 2K left. So you know, we'll see though. Worst case scenario, I lose the funded, and then I end up getting funded on this combine. Now, well, the worst case scenario is I lose both of them, but you know, we'll see. We will see. So let me see. With that being said, we've been on stream for a good little minute now. I'm gonna go ahead and head out. Catch y'all during NY for those who will be there. It's not letting me. Damn, how do is that let me in the live? Oh, I'm tripping. I'm on Streamlabs.